Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to learn a new language with Claude AI. So this is a simple way to practice vocabulary, grammar, and conversation at your own pace. So first sign into your Claude account and open the main screen. Click the message box that says how can I help you today? Then type a prompt like teach me a beginner Korean for everyday situations including greetings, useful words, and simple pronunciation tips. So after that, click the send button and then Claude will create a beginner-friendly lesson with useful words and clear explanations. You can also ask it to explain grammar, create short quizzes, or give you a practice exercise. So for conversation practice, type have a simple conversation with me in Korean and then ask one question at a time and correct my mistakes. So this can help you practice a real conversation and learn errors. And that is it. Claude AI can help you practice Korean vocabulary, grammar, translation, and conversations whenever you need it. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.